Hello everybody, welcome back. In this short video, I will provide a brief review of our week 1 contents and also give an overview of our week 2 arrangements. So here's a quick review of our week 1 contents. In week 1, we spent quite some time on defining BIM as both of a modeling process as well as a modeling result, that is, models. So when we talk about building information modeling, or we can also be talking about the building information models, keep it in mind that the model is the end result of the modeling process. We also talk about the BIM benefits by looking into how BIM can change or transform the current practice in the AEC industry and the facility delivery process. We conducted a few case studies to illustrate and to reason about BIM benefits. We also worked on our very first lab to get ourselves familiar with the BIM authoring tool, Revit. And we use Revit throughout this class for the BIM modeling purpose. So in BIM, everything is an object, and objects have different relationships with each other. So our week 1 results or our week 1 contents lead to our week 2 questions. Thinking about the BIM as a modeling process, is there a common process that we can follow to make it systematic and consistent? Going towards object-oriented modeling, how do we represent an object? What shall we include in an object model? And how to capture the relationships between or among objects? With these questions, I'm here to present our learning objectives of week 2. By completing week 2 lectures, lab assignments, and quizzes, students are expected to be able to explain the authoring process in BIM, explain object-oriented modeling in BIM, and also being able to model a facility as a system of objects that is consisted of many objects as well as their relationships. In week 2, we will go over a few videos. You will work on several exercises, taking quizzes, complete assignments, and also take the second lab in BIM. Time effort expected is about 5 hours.